Are you looking for an activity to implement diversity in your classroom as a teacher? Well, you have come to the right place because we have provided a new game that can incorporate diversity with your students regardless of race or ethnicity. So, we have created a version of Human Bingo that actually discusses different kinds of race and cultural backgrounds. And our subject is English, but later we will discuss how you can actually change that for whatever subject or key learning area that you are as a teacher focusing on. According to research, schools are microcosms of society. And at school, if we focus on making sure that we celebrate diversity and differences, we can also look at our similarities and see that we are all human, regardless of race. So at school, our goal is to make sure that our students can recognize those differences. And by using this activity, we hope that our students will start having those conversations of differences in race and culture.
Students a lovely card like this. Obviously you can have various questions, and in a second I'll talk a little bit more about different KLAs, but for the example that we're using today in the video, we actually have used an English KLA. So some questions we've got on here are things like, have you read To Kill a Mockingbird? Which is obviously a great book that potentially some of your students will have read. We've also got things like, do you speak another language at home? So questions about diversity and race, and also things about culture. We've got, do you celebrate Christmas? So a lot of these cultural questions then stem back to diversity when it comes to race and ethnicity. So therefore we can find a way of drawing in the conversation later on in the classroom. It's a way of just bringing up these issues. Also, potentially, these issues might be in a book. Something like To Kill a Mockingbird deals with issues of race and ethnicity. So it is a great way for an English teacher to introduce that topic and some of these deeper issues that they'll be dealing with in the literature. So, great. So we've got our bingo card. So some other variants are something like a history KLA. You might be going to be dealing with the White Australia policy. So, or potentially a world war. You might want to throw in some questions about that, as well as our diversity related questions. A PE class, you might want to mix it up and add in an extra element of, you've got to like sprint from one end to the other of the basketball court in order to get the answers to your bingo questions. Other variants for every KLA can be put in there. Some KLAs obviously potentially have more an opportunity, but we believe that this game can be used in every single KLA and that you as a teacher can vary it as much as possible. Thanks for our explanation. We're going to show some examples now using our English KLA. Good morning, class. Today we're going to be starting our first Year 7 English class. Welcome to everyone. We're going to do a bit of an icebreaker game. So what it is a bit of people bingo. Everyone is going to get one of these lovely cards. We're going to grab a pen, we're going to move around the class, and we're going to be asking questions. So we're going to find out about each other. So if everyone can get up and grab a lovely bingo card and a pen, we're going to get right to it. Okay, thanks everyone.
Hi guys!
Hey!
I'm mixed heritage, so you can
Oh,
put that
cool.
in there.
And what was your heritage?
English, Irish, Scottish, German, and Native American.
Wow, yeah. And what was your name?
Elizabeth.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Lisa.
Lisa.
And you've already got one of the ones I've got behind the moon. But I've also read To Kill a Mockingbird.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
I really love books.
What
yeah.
about you?
Well, what haven't you got? I can check. I celebrate Christmas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Great. Oh, who doesn't love Christmas cards?
I
Come
know.
on. Yeah. All right, cool. We better go and find some more. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
Chelsea.
Okay, my name is Rebecca.
Okay, have you been to any other countries?
Yes, I actually just went to the Philippines.
Oh, really? My mother's from the Philippines.
Oh, that's so cool.
Cool.
Wow, okay.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
Oh, nice.
The people are really cool.
Oh, great.
A name of the critical race theory is getting to the bottom of racism, such as the social forces and powers that enables racism to exist in social norms. It challenges privilege, for example white privilege, a powerful tool that at times goes unseen, making it visible and knowable, especially in contexts of socialization and intuitionalization. Why is it important for teachers to understand and teach diversity? Ethnic diversity is found to have a negative effect on trust and social outcomes. In the context of schools, ethnic diversity may worsen the social interaction of children as students may feel excluded due to language barriers or just a sense of belongingness. These issues contribute to negative outcomes in terms of learning and achieving. Therefore, it is crucial for teachers to enforce education in diversity.
Thanks for watching our video, guys.
And we hope you can try diversity bingo in your classroom.